Morning everyone. Today we are going to know the simulation of push button and LED in Proteus. First we have to write the program in STMcube. So I'm going to create a new project here. It might take some time when you are having network issues. So it will so we have to select I'm selecting F series here. We have to select the part number. I'm giving this project name as push button and LED. You finish. So the project will be created and the IOC file will be created here. In the IOC file, we have to give the input and output pins which are required to the project. So as you can see here, the IOC file is created. So I'm giving PA5 as my input and PA11 as output. So here we need to keep the input as pull up. So I'm changing it to pull up. So after giving the input and output requirements, if you give controllers, the code will be generated here as you can see. So the code generated will be like the header files, some of the functions. So only these will be created here, but you need to give the code which you want. So I'm giving here. After writing the whole code, you need to build the project. So here you can know whether if you are having any errors or the code is error free. So as you can see here, three errors. So we are having a error here. So let's take that. So here build furnished zero errors and zero warnings. That means the code was correct. Now we have to generate hex file which is required for the output generation in the Proteus. So have to take the C++ build settings. In that select post build outputs. In this you need to select this hex file. So close and apply. So I have applied. Again I'm giving building the project so that I can know. So as you can see, zero errors. So this is my hex file. So the hex file is generated. Now we need to go to the Proteus and create new project. So I have to give the project name. So now we have to select the STM board F series. So I have selected this STM32F401RB. We also need push button and LED also. LED. So here there are different types of LEDs like different colors. So I'm selecting LED aqua. and we also require two grounds. So I'm selecting them. Now the input pin should be connected to the push button, that is PA5, and PA11 should be connected to the LED, which is the output. So the remaining edge should be connected to the ground. So now the connecting was completed. Now you need to upload the code in this, so the project will be running. So you need to select the hex file which have generated in the STM. So STM cube ID. In the workspace you will have the experiments which you have done. So I'm selecting push button. In the debug, you will have the hex file. So this is the hex file. So okay, now run the program. So when the switch was on, the LED will glow. When it was off, the switch LED will be off. So here you can see the LED is on and the LED is off. So this is how we simulate the LED and push button in the Proteus. Thank you.